myself JVN Gaurav Goyal. Today we are going to discuss about kilo voltage teletherapy machines. Kilo voltage teletherapy machines means it is used in radiotherapy, but the range of the energies of these machines in order of kV, kilo voltage, up to 500 kV. Namaste. This is in earlier session we have discussed about the Grangery therapy, surface therapy, etc. Today we will discuss about the deep therapy machines, deep therapy orthovoltage machines. This topic is particularly important for the semester BSc RT 6M in hospital administration in radiotherapy. Let me discuss. X-ray machines that are operated with a potential of 150 to 500 kVp are called orthovoltage unit or deep therapy units. It is called deep therapy unit. The range of the energy is 150 to 500 kVp. The SSD of the unit is 50 cm with a tube current of 10 to 20 mA. Movable diaphragm and cones are used to collimate the beam to a desired field size. Okay. The maximum dose occurs close to the skin surface and it is suitable for treatment of lesion up to 2 to 3 cm depth. These X-rays will have good penetrating power to treat deep-seated tumor. The deep therapy unit played a major role in radiotherapy up to 1946, and even today it is in use. Kilovoltage therapy unit is also used in recent days. The deep therapy units may differ little from that of diagnostic tube since the unit are operated in at high kVp. The heat developed is so high, and the X-ray tube should be provided with large focal spot and effective cooling system. So the tube have effective cooling system as a large focal spot to dissipate the heat, because the heat production is higher than the normal diagnostic X-ray tube. The deep therapy X-ray tube is when the filament is heated, electrons are emitted. These electrons are isolated across the tube by applied voltage, and X-rays are produced when the electrons imping upon the target. During the production of X-rays, secondary electrons are also produced. These electrons in turn produce X-ray when stopped by the glass envelope. To avoid the secondary electrons, the tube is provided with a hooded anode. The secondary electron will be intercepted by the copper portion, and the X-rays produced in the copper will be absorbed by the tungsten. The hood anode is fitted with beryllium window, which absorb the secondary electrons and offer a small attenuation to the X-rays since its atomic number is beryllium window's atomic number is 4. Our session, our 2-day session is completed. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.